Craving for satisfied crunch without deep frying hustle? Let's make air fried chicken drumstick.
Add chili powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, garam masala, curd, one tablespoon butter. Mix all the ingredients together. Now let's add chicken drumstick in masala and marinate well. Hit the subscribe button for more interesting recipes. Keep the marinated chicken in fridge for at least 1 hour. If you are a chicken lover, hit the like button. Let's place the air fryer liner before adding chicken. Now it's time to add chicken in the air fryer. Now let's keep the air fryer in 400° Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Ta-da! Our delicious air fried chicken drumsticks are ready. For more air fryer recipes, like, share, comment and subscribe.